Today we're going to be unboxing the Snow White limited edition doll from the Disney store. Here it is. Let's unbox her together and see what she looks like. Here is the Snow White doll in the packaging. So pretty and elegant. On the back of the box, it shows that it's a designer collection, Midnight Masquerade series. So it looks like, so we're going to undo this because I am going to unbox her fully. And this is what the illustration looks like. So pretty. Here's the background of the box, which I really love. All the stars. And I love the blue that they used. Oh, the fabric is nice. Here we have the stand. So I'm gonna carefully unbox her and let's take a closer look. This is what she looks like outside the packaging. I love her hair. I love the mask. Looks like an owl face. I love how it matches her little collar right here. She has earrings on. Let's see if I can get a close up of the earrings. Just simple earrings. The makeup is very simple and light. No red lips, but she does have pink. I love the lashes. The dress is really simple and elegant. The fabric, the material is really nice. And it has these little gems on it. And she actually has heels on. She has yellow heels on, which is really nice. And if you look towards the back, the pattern continues on the side and on the very back. There's nothing on it. I love the cape. So what the back looks like. Very pretty. Overall, I think this doll is gorgeous. It's simple. It's not too complicated with the design. And I love the tulle underneath the dress. And I love the tulle as her like little stockings above her heel. So cute. I got this doll on sale, I believe like 2 weeks ago. And I say she's worth it. She's definitely really pretty. And this is what she looks like.